According to Webster's dictionary, a process is a natural phenomenon marked by gradual changes that lead towards a particular result. The process for this album was very stubborn yet liberating. The motivations were different. My structure of development was different. There was no fluidity. In a nutshell, back to front. Ass backwards, if you want to label it that. Yet I found my way. Some days I wrote, some days I didn't. Some days I did visuals. Some days I didn't do squat. Yet that pattern helped me forge a masterpiece. How'd you do?